In this video, you will learn how to use chopsticks for beginners. It's very easy. First thing you want to do, right-handed, left-handed, turn your hand into like a pistol shape like this, okay? And bring your fingers, the bottom ones, in like that. So now what we want to do is take one chopstick and put it in through the thumb, just there, about midway, and rest it on top of that like this. So it looks like this, okay? Now, the other chopstick, you're going to put on top of here, on your other finger on top, like this. You see? Making sure your thumb grabs that chopstick on top. Just like that, and then push it out. Don't hold it stiff, alright? So what you want to do is adjust it in your hand, so you've got the basic position. Adjust it in your hand, so it feels comfortable, just a little bit, like that. Look. So now you've moved your thumb over, right? You feel comfortable in your hand. It's not stiff. So your hand's not like that, it's flexible. Alright, so get back into position, like this. And that's pretty much it. You've got your basic chopstick hold. Now, if you want to pick something up, my advice is this. Don't go to scoop it, because a lot of people I see scoop it. You don't scoop it, or you're gonna not pick it up. You still do, but what you do, you drop the chopsticks on it, just relax your hand, put them on the table or on the bowl, and then just pinch it, and you've got it up. See? Very simple, very easy. That's how you use chopsticks. Go impress your friends. I hope that helped you. I'm Sachthemotive, let me motivate you. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.